All right, I'm back again, and today we're going to talk about a stock that I found. You probably can see it on my screen, but before I go into the stock, let me do a disclosure for y'all. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a consultant. This is just some guy on YouTube's opinion. Now, I am going to talk about a software company or a gaming company. No one really talk about these companies and where they're going to be at, but I need to diversify a little bit. So I'm starting to look into these gaming companies because they're not gonna go anywhere. That someone's gonna end up buying them, merging. That something's gonna happen with them. So let's get to it. All right, Riot Games or RIOT ticker symbol. So Riot Games, they make League of Legends. Um, we can let's look it up right now. Riot Games. So this is Riot Game. They make a bunch of different games, and it's this the company I am looking at right now. They make League of Legends, Valorant, Team Tactics, League of Legends, Wild Rift, Legend of Runeterra. They do have esports, their entertainment, and they're pretty much. Look, they're hiring too. They're pretty much always developing something. Now, I see that this company is growing, but it flatlined down. It used to be worth more, and now it's worth $10.44. Is it time for me to get into this one? Because it looks like it has some good growth potential. And according to Microsoft, that is a strong buy right now. They think it's going to be $17.83. And you know what? I don't disagree. And I'm thinking about adding this to my portfolio. And let's just look at the information on it. The finances, it's been growing pretty steadily, even during COVID. Let's see. Yep, they've been growing. They make their money from in-game purchases, so that's where majority of their income, I think, comes from. Since they're a gaming company, and they do have a lot of events that they host and do. So Riot Games, they earn now company earned dividend by share outstanding compared to its 3-year average industry is 0.81. And I'm looking at the revenue. Its operation revenue went up, and price to earning went up. That's good. But is this a good company to buy? I I don't know right now. I'm going to look at these numbers and compare it to other ones, Beyond Inc., Digital Technology, and Hive. But it's projected on here. It looks like on this chart, it's supposed to go down. And everyone's right now saying it's a strong buy. Is RIOT ticker symbol a strong buy? Well, they've been hitting all their numbers, it looks like. Besides in November 2023, they missed it. But in 12 months, will it be worth $17.83? I don't know. We have to let's look at some of the news on it. Now, this is from a story. It's supposed to be a 3-minute. And let's see. Riot Game is on here. Doesn't look like it. But If we go back to Riot, it's up right now. And to be honest, the institutional investors are increasing their hold on here. So if institutional are increasing their hold, it might not be a bad deal. So even this article, it says that it's bullish, stock despite temporary challenges, and they say it's going to be $17. So if you buy it right now at the price of $10, and you could double your money in a year, almost. If the prediction's wrong, right? Well, $17.83. Even if you invest $1,000 in it, you can get $2,000. That's a double the return, and it looks like a good growth stock. Now the issue I have is it doesn't match my portfolio for my dividend one. So now I have to look, is this company worth investing in for the long term? Not to hold it for a year and sell. And let's see who's the top shareholders. Vanguard Group, BlackRock, Morgan Stanley, and State Street. Which, if they're all seems to be increasing it. Bank of America is selling out. JP Morgan is selling out. So JP Morgan bought it for $8. And Bank of America bought it for $15. So the Bank of America looked like they lost a bit of money on it. But BlackRock looked like they bought it at 45, I guess, estimate buy-in. So they bought it at these higher numbers. So I'm guessing they're trying to average down right now with the number right now, which makes sense. But I'm looking at this prediction of this chart, and it doesn't look like a company I want to invest in. I'm looking, looking at the calls and put options, seeing if anything's worth it. And yeah, it's just the stock price, latest sale, expiration. I'm just checking the calls and the put options to see if it's worth it. And that's just the 3D version. It's a little harder to read, but I can read it. If you need to learn how to read it, comment below. I'll do a video on how to read it. But let's see. There's no dividend payout. See, so it can't go in my dividend portfolio if it's but not paying dividend. So pretty much, is it worth to invest in Riot right now? Not really. I'm looking at the stock symbol Riot. Current price is $10.44. The market cap is $2 or 2.97 billion USD. The 52-week high is $20, and the 52-week is $7.08. So it looks like it went up from that point. This would be a good one to day trade or monthly trade or whatever, but I don't think it's really worth it. So Riot Platform Inc. is a company involved in Bitcoin mining now. So that's cool. So they're mining Bitcoin. So that might make it worth it if you believe in Bitcoin. Besides that, it dropped a lot from, and does not look like it has recovered. And it looks like we have volatility. So it's down 98.57% all time. 5 years is up 6.33% in 5 years, or 156%, which that's not bad for a 5-year return, up 156%. Yearly, it's down 10%. And for the month, it's up 3.3% or 3.4%. So I'm looking at this and trying to determine if I want to buy it as an investment. I like the company and I like the games they play, but the 1 year mark is disturbing. In 1 year, they're down 10%. But in 5 years, they're up 155%. Well, now if I project it from now, from 5 years, will it be worth 30 something dollars? The company. I don't think it's going to be worth 30 something dollars unless they come out with more games. They do say it's a strong buy on Microsoft Bing little summary, but looking at the charts and the lines, it just doesn't look. The revenue's going up though. That's a good part. So revenue's going up. So is operation income. They did drop the operation expenses, but operation income goes up. Man, this one's. I'm sorry, Riot Games. I don't think I can invest in you. It's not. Y'all don't look that good. Number wise, it's too much of a issue right here. This is the information AI comes up with. So, owner, no, the Riot Game is they're owned by Tencent Holding, and everyone's saying to invest right now into Riot Game. All the articles I've been reading, and I just don't believe these articles because right here it says it's a strong buy. Say stock analyst strong buy. 1 year target is $17. EPS is 40.9. So 12 people say we should buy this strongly because they believe it's going to be $17 in a year. The revenue did go up, but the valuation, let's see. Valuation went up. That's good. Leverage and liquidation. Pretty much. Yeah, I'm going to say this right now. I don't think I'm going to invest in this as a investor unless I can see some good number change or they come out with another game. Let's see if Riot Games is coming out with any new games or Riot Game news. Well, that's not good. This the patches. Lawsuit against Riot and former CEO Judge Arbitrary in 2021. Okay, they had a lawsuit in 2021. By Riot. So, yeah. This is a very popular game anyways, but it looks like they do come out with games. So 2KO, former Project SL, The Mage Seeker. So it looks like they are making new games every year. So that's a good thing. But What do y'all think? Comment down below. Is Riot Game worth it? Because after looking at all that numbers and analysts, this is the first time I looked at it, and yeah, I don't think I'm gonna invest in this one. Comment down below if y'all think it's worth it. But I'm gonna let you know it does say it's a strong buy, and it's supposed to be $17 or $18 by next year. So you can take it as a grain of sand, because I don't think I'm gonna invest in them just because their charts looks horrible. And it's down 9% this year. It's up 157 for past 5 years, but it dropped to almost pennies. It might have actually dropped to pennies. So it did go up to 40, it peaked up. It does have volatility, but it looks like it might drop back down. Maybe, I guess Riot is a Bitcoin mining company now. So, about Riot. Riot Platform Inc. together with its subsidiary Operation Bitcoin Mining Company in North America. So, they make games and they mine Bitcoin. So, cool. That's Riot Game for y'all. Alright, please like and subscribe. Comment down below if you're going to invest into it. Like I said, they predict it's supposed to be $17, $18, and yeah, I'm not investing in it. It doesn't look like it's promising to me. Alright, later.